Imagine this. You're sitting at a coffee shop. Laptop closed. Phone in your pocket. And still your bank account just grew. No new emails. No endless client calls. No complicated investments. Just money flowing quietly in the background. Sounds unreal, right? But it's happening, for a small group of people who found a passive income playbook that most of the world doesn't even know exists. And today, you're about to see exactly how it works. Why most people never hear about this. Let's be honest. Most passive income advice out there is designed to keep you stuck. Start a YouTube channel and work like crazy for years. Invest in real estate after you somehow save $100,000. It's all slow, expensive, or ridiculously high effort. Meanwhile, insiders are using a different system, one that's fast, scalable, and doesn't require you to become an influencer. They build mini digital income machines. And once those machines are live, they keep spinning, even while they sleep. Step 1. Create or acquire tiny digital assets. Own something that lives online and makes money automatically. A simple blog earning ad revenue. A micro course selling a $29 guide. A no-face YouTube channel pulling in daily views. A newsletter with 1,000 loyal subscribers. A mini software tool solving a tiny problem. You don't need a million followers. You just need something that delivers value quietly, and earns while you do other things. Step 2. Stack multiple streams, without burnout. $300 a month, $500 a month, $1,200 a month, but 5 of them together? Now you're earning $3,000 to $5,000 monthly without a boss, without trading time for every dollar. It's the compound effect in real life, but with income streams instead of bank interest. Step 3. Automate and scale. You plug them into systems that work for you. Email sequences that sell your products 24/7. SEO content that pulls in visitors without constant posting. Most people think passive income is about doing nothing, then letting them run while you enjoy your life. You get paid forever. Tiny assets are low risk. If one income stream fails, you're not betting your entire future on one big idea. No investors. No corporate bosses. No economic downturn excuses. They're insanely scalable. One newsletter can become 3. One website can grow into a network. One course can turn into an entire product suite. The possibilities multiply without multiplying your hours worked. Let's say you start a micro-digital project in June. How to start a freelance design business. You list it on Gumroad. You post a few TikToks driving traffic. By September, it's making $400 a month. By December, you stack a second product. 50 AI tools every freelancer should know. Now you're making $900 a month. 1 year later, you have 6 mini assets producing $4,000 to $6,000 a month. All from small manageable moves that compound. That's the hidden playbook. That's how freedom is built, quietly, steadily, smartly. Because if too many people figure this out, the entire system cracks. Fewer employees tied to desks. Fewer desperate customers for get-rich-quick schemes. Fewer suckers buying into the grind culture. The people making the real money aren't grinding. They're building systems. Anyone willing to work smart, not just hard, can do the same. You're standing at a crossroads. You can keep grinding hoping for a raise stuck in someone else's system. Or you can build your own mini empire piece by piece, quietly creating income that nobody can take away. The playbook is no longer hidden. You just need to decide, will you actually use it? If you're serious about creating your own passive income ecosystem, make sure to like and subscribe.